Jyoti CNC Automation Ltd, a CNC machines manufacturer. Company manufactures more than 200 product variants of computer numerical control machines. These products are used in diverse industry segments, specifically for high-precision metal cutting. About 41% of the revenue is generated from the defense and aerospace segment, 25% from automobile, 18% from general engineering, 3% from electronics, and 13% from other segments. The company was founded in 1989 and later got incorporated in 1991 and got listed on NSE and BSE in 2024. They are based in Rajkot with more than 2,680 employees. Company has 3 manufacturing plants, 2 in Rajkot with production capacity of 6,000 machines per annum and 1 global plant in Strasbourg, France. The market cap of the company is 25,851 crore rupees and currently trading at 1,137 rupees per share. The company has a 32% CAGR for 3-year sales growth and 61% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. In 2007, company acquired France-based Huron Griffenstaden, which has a good presence in the Canadian, German, and French markets. The sales of the company for the last 4 years have been consistently growing. The company registered losses in fiscal years 21 and 22. However, since the last 2 fiscal years they have registered good profits. There has been no drop in the promoters' holding in the last 2 quarters. We can see some foreign and domestic investments in the company. Some clients of the company are Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, ISRO, Boeing, Tata Motors, BMW, Ashok Leyland, JSW, Indian Railways, Bosch, and more. Company serves more than 3,500 clients from 60 countries, with revenue concentration of 58% from domestic and 42% from exports. Company has 29 sales and service centers across 12 states and 2 distributors in India and 11 distributors outside India. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.